Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 10 in GeForce Experience on Windows 11 using simple and safe steps. First, let us start with the easiest fix. Restart your PC. A restart can clear temporary system glitches and reset background processes that may cause this error. After the restart, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app, look for NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local System Container. Make sure both services are running. If any of them are stopped, right-click and choose Start. If they are already running, right-click and choose Restart. If the error is still there, the next step is updating or reinstalling your NVIDIA drivers. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to complete the process. If the problem continues, do a clean reinstall of GeForce Experience. Open Settings and go to Apps, then Install Apps. Find the NVIDIA app in the list, click the three dots and uninstall it. After it is removed, open your browser and go to the official NVIDIA website. Download the latest version of the NVIDIA app for Windows 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. When the installation finishes, restart your PC one more time. After these steps, open the app and check if the error is gone. Thanks for watching.